Have you finished editing an Instagram reel, saved it as a draft, but you then realize that it's not saved in your phone's photo gallery? In this video, I'll show you the steps how to save Instagram draft reels to your gallery, including what Instagram actually lets you do with drafts, and the simple method you can use to get your video onto your phone without posting it publicly. I'll start by locating the drafts, and we can do this by opening our app and going over to our profile page. Click on the little reel icon, which is going to show you all of the Instagram reels which you had uploaded, and the drafts should be somewhere at the top left of this screen. Let's say I want to download the second draft to my photo gallery. I'll start by tapping this little pen icon, which will open my reel editor. You can see the timeline and all of the tools. But a very important step is to tap the little arrow at the top left. Then scroll through all of these tools from the right side to the left, and you're going to see this little Save button. Tap on that button, wait a couple of seconds, and then this reel draft will be downloaded to your photo gallery. Now, one important thing you need to know is what happens if your reel uses licensed music from the Instagram music library. In that case, Instagram will still save the video to your gallery, but the music will be removed, and you'll only get the video with the original sound or no sound at all. This is normal and happens because licensed music is protected. So if you want to keep the audio, the reel has to stay inside Instagram or be posted there.